Hey guys, this is Do You Want a Bit of Brownie back again to do a blind reaction to a bird and hoof. A bird and a hoof. So, I can only tell this is a Fluttershy episode, so this ought to be interesting. After watching Over a Barrel, I kind of learned a little bit more about her, that she actually would prefer to be like a plant of some kind, like a tree. Which is interesting. Well, let's just get started.
There you go, Mr. Mousy.
Continuously helping animals.
Drop that leg and do everything I told you, and it'll be just like new in no time at all. Oh, you're welcome. Happy to be able to help.
Oh, he's late. I love Alice in Wonderland.
You found a watch?
He's late.
You wanna be a watch? You're right.
He's running.
We're running out of time? No, you're late.
Ah, it was true. Okay.
I'm late for a very important date. The big brunch for Princess Celestia at Sugar Cane
Oh.
Corner.
Oh, I thought she actually got a date.
Oh, the princess is here in Cornelius for a party, and we all promised we'd be there. But I'm not there. Oh, do I look alright? Do I need spray anything? Maybe I shouldn't go.
Yeah, maybe you shouldn't go. Just like surrender immediately.
Thanks, Angel. If you hadn't reminded me, I would have not remembered, and then I would be there, and everyone would be wondering where I was, and...
Go!
Right, I'm late.
Ha! That's one smart rabbit. Angel. So interesting animal. So I don't know which one's more, you know, I think Opal is a little bit more disobedient, given the fact that I haven't seen her, like, help Rarity in any sense. But Angel does. He kind of has, like, more of his own little personality. My little pony, do you know you are my very best friend? God. You ever had that song that just gets stuck in your head to the point where you just can't do anything but sing along with it?
So, what do I have to do to get to be one of the princess's royal guards, anyway? Is the pay good? Hello?
I don't know why you're asking. I thought you wanted to be a Wonderbolt. Are Wonderbolts actually like army? The classic, I need to keep a straight face no matter what. The easiest to animate, because all you have to do is just put this model there and then you're done.
You made it.
Oh.
Who goes there?
No one. Never mind. I'll go home.
Fluttershy, assertive.
It's all right, sirs. She's on the list.
Then why didn't they check the list?
I'm so glad you could make it.
Oh, right, because she didn't introduce herself. Okay. I was just about to say. Ah, Spike, being useful as always.
What are you doing? Good? Good.
Good.
Anything else we can get for you, dearie? I think we can get.
Everything is fine, Mr. and Mrs. Cake.
Sorry I'm late. I had to finish taking care of a patient first. Oh, you and your tender, loving care of little animals. I just know Princess Celestia is going to love that about you. I mean, I hope she will. I mean, of course she will.
She's Princess Celestia. She's a benevolent being of pure kindness. I think she's fine.
Oh, it's not that. I just want the princess to approve of my friends.
You don't have to have her approve. She will approve.
But this is the first
Friends are friends, except for the wrong
I'm
kind.
very funny to make a good impression.
And since this is a kids' TV show, I'm not really suspecting like gigantic
We'll get together, right?
druggies or something like that.
What's the threat? Careful! You're
Ser-
gonna spill that on me.
Seriously?
Ooh, that looks delicious. What is it? Oh, there's Jane. Keep it away from me. Perhaps not that.
Rarity, when you set when you get set up, why do you knock me down?
Salad, and which is the appetizer again? And which am I supposed to eat first?
I can relate to that. I could actually relate to that. Sometimes when I'm around people that I don't want to look like a slob for, I don't eat at all. But then you have someone like 55 who just doesn't give $2. Out of all people to control, you need to get her. Can you not see that smile on her face? She's okay.
That's quite all right, thank you.
That's what sucks about being royal. She can never be taken seriously.
I see it, honey bunny.
It's not a war.
Thank you.
Not at all, Your Highness.
Thank you again.
What if she doesn't want any more? See, she's playful.
And what about you, dear?
Y'all are nervous too much.
Oh, yes, Your Highness.
I understand from Twilight Sparkle's letters that you enjoy tending to the needs of woodland creatures.
Yes, I love to take care of animals.
As do I. As princess, I care deeply about all creatures, great and small. Nothing means more to me than the well-being of all my subjects.
That's a messed up bird.
You're awake. Do say hello to our gracious host.
Adorable.
My,
She is quite a sight, isn't she?
Very.
I've never seen anything like this.
Seems like somebody has been feeding their certain pet.
Really? Well, if I must. I'm sorry, every pony. I'm afraid I have to cut the party short. The mayor has requested an audience with me. Royal duty calls. Thank you for
Calls.
to know you all better.
Oh, she forgot her bird.
Yeah. Now I can eat some.
Tom, stop!
See? Exactly what... Aww.
Stay right where you are. All I want is a clear path to the exit. Nobody move? Then my dress won't get hurt. Back I say.
Nickel gay.
Well, Spike, I don't know for sure how things went with the princess,
I think they
but
went...
at least no big disasters happened.
Nah, I think it's fine. Except someone stole her bird. And who's the only person in this entire show that would probably do it? Rainbow Dash.
Poor little thing.
Oh, I was wrong.
Forget her bad condition. Don't you worry, Philomena. I nurse you back to health.
Philomena.
Fever to the princess.
Another creative name.
Don't you treat me carefully properly. I'm sure the princess will appreciate the help.
Well, I think she would appreciate it more if you'd actually tell her that you stole her bird.
Oh my, I better get you to bed right away. There.
Yeesh. Okay. Nice, jagged cold. Too hot, too cold. Put the blanket on him with the ice pack. Then he'll be just right. Jeez.
It's far worse than I thought. But you need some medicine. Yeah.
Yeesh.
Here you go, Philomena.
What kind of bird is that anyway?
Right up. Dr. Fluttershy expected that.
Woodpecker. Huh? Well, I think I would tell the difference between small little bite-sized pieces of things with a giant pill.
There's nothing like homemade soup to cure what ails you. Come on now. You're not gonna get better if you don't cooperate.
It doesn't look like a woodpecker.
See? It's delicious. Good and good for you. Here comes the choo-choo train. Chugga 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 chugga. Woo woo!
Woo woo! Now he's just gonna let him strangle himself. Ha!
Oh, gee.
That was her plan this whole time.
Don't worry, Philomena. I know what'll make you feel better. Wait right here. I have just the thing.
Philomena. Never heard that before.
I got a fellow feathered friend by to cheer you up.
That's no, that's a hummingbird.
Too, but he let me help him and got better in no time. Didn't you, boy? Say hello to your new friend, Philomena.
Aww.
Oh, look. I think he likes you. Your turn now, Philomena. Go ahead.
Oh, Jesus. Ah.
Good try.
When it comes to animals, she's fine, but if someone else did that, like another pony, I think she'd be really, really freaked out.
Refreshing. How's that feeling now for you, Philomena?
I like how it's just rocking back and forth.
Oh.
Jeez. It's molting up a storm.
I know lots of other ways to take care of you. Don't worry, you're gonna get better. How about...
Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy. Whoever hasn't tried aromatherapy, you should really try it. It's really effective.
You're back?
Yeesh.
Was it?
Oh, he's allergic. This is like how each and everything that fails just molts.
Surgical tape. Feathers. Oh, Philomena, I thought it would be easy to nurse you back to health. I've tried everything I know.
Apparently.
Look at you. You're worse than ever.
I think he's perfectly fine. I think he's just gonna be like...
Hi, Fluttershy.
What?
I just wanted to drop by and say thank you so very much for making such a good impression on the princess today.
Twilight Sparkle. Door opener.
Is Celestia's pet doing here? I couldn't leave the poor thing there. She needed my help. Oh, no. This is bad.
I think this is...
How can I just walk away and not...
Fluttershy taking away Celestia's bird is like the equivalent of taking Jesus' sheep.
Something without telling anything.
If Jesus had sheep. He's a shepherd, right? I'm just saying. Taking a pet is bad.
Attention, but you have got to return the princess's pet.
Dead.
Right.
Dead.
Okay.
I think he died. Oh. Okay.
If we hurry, we can put her back before anyone even realizes she's missing.
Oh, hi, Celestia. Oh, Celestia's guards. Hi.
We were told we could find Twilight Sparkle here. We regret to inform you, miss, that the royal pet has gone missing.
Oh, no.
Hey!
I don't know what's going on.
It's that dry night air. But it's daytime. Well, day air is even drier. You guards better be on your way if you're gonna find the princess's missing pet. Philomena, was it? Thank you ever so much for keeping me in the loop. Bye.
Can't believe it actually worked.
What are you doing? Going to return Philomena, remember? I can't now. Why not? You have no idea what the princess is going to do if she finds you're the one who took her pet, do you?
One straight ticket to the moon!
Well, no. But it can't be anything good. She might banish you from a forestry office or throw you in a too.
She's really good at banishing, isn't she?
Or banish you and then throw you in a dungeon in the place that she banishes you to.
That's stupid.
Princess would do that?
No.
Okay, granted that probably won't happen.
Look, she did it to the only person she literally banished was her sister, and that's because she was trying to take over the world. Just for stealing her pet, I think she's just gonna give her a slap on the hoof.
Unless I'm
Wrist.
somewhere there's no post office, then you'll have to write to me. Deal? Please, Twilight. Just have to help me get Philomena healthy, and then we can return her to the princess. And everything will be fine.
Hey.
Did you give her any kind of medicine? I tried to, but she wouldn't take it. Ugh, then you have to make her take it. You can't be such a pushover, Fluttershy.
One time we had to hold open one of our dogs' mouths and then shoot through a syringe
Why?
a liquid medicine. So yeah, forcing an animal to do it, it's kind of necessary.
Okay, what else? Well, she keeps pulling her feathers off. The ones that haven't fallen out yet from all her coughing, I mean. There you go.
Oh.
I don't think she likes it. Tough love, baby. Of course.
Twilight should know she had a pet all her life.
I desperately need some bed rest, but I can't get her to
Sorry,
sleep.
Spike.
One step ahead of you. For your own good, Philomena, I promise. Please, just wait.
Never put a sheet over any pets, over any pet. It really bothers them.
I need it for Philomena, but she wouldn't need it. Oh, she'll eat it all right.
Twilight Sparkle, just the queen of pet loving. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Just love those kind of chase sequences. I think this is the second time they did this. First time being Ticketmaster, second time being this. Wow. Why can't guards at any time look behind them? I think they're taking off every single trope from every single show ever. Got Scooby-Doo right there. Got the chase sequences from every other show. Got the sneaking behind guards from that other show. I don't even think of Scooby-Doo. Except it's not a monster, it's just...
What did you do? I'm running late. Oh, did I find you? Let's go.
Congratulations, you won. Wait, that was just it?
Beg your pardon. Put me down. What darn I should... Sorry, but we got some...
Princess's pet bird!
Huh, there you are. Oh, jeez.
Don't down from there. You'll hurt yourself.
Maybe he's an eagle. A very bald eagle. It's funny. Oh, wow. Of course. Ah! What is this, directed by Michael Bay? Dude, you exploded for no reason.
What is going on here?
The all face, like, oh my god.
Twilight?
Your Majesty, there's been a terrible accident. It's all my fault. No, Princess. Fluttershy didn't know any better. It was my fault.
It was not your fault, Twilight.
But you were only trying to help. Some help I was. Will you let me do this? She'll go easier on me.
This is true.
No, it's my fault. It's my fault. Hey,
I broke the dam. I broke the dam.
for trying to protect me, Twilight, but Princess Celestia, I'm the one who took your pet bird. I really was only trying to help the poor little thing. Then I was going to bring it right back to you, honest.
The nicest burst into flames.
So, if you want to banish me and then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to, that's what I deserve.
I would hate being Celestia, being so nice that she is.
Oh, stop fooling around, Philomena. You're scaring every pony.
Oh, I feel so stupid. It's a phoenix. It's a phoenix.
This
Dies from ashes, rebirths from ashes.
but nothing unusual for a phoenix. Isn't that right, Philomena?
I should feel stupid because I played every single God of War game.
It's a majestic and magical bird. While it appears healthy and happy most of the time,
Jeez.
every so often it must renew itself by shedding all of its feathers and bursting into flame.
Jeez.
Rather dramatic, if you ask me.
Yeah.
It then rises from the ashes, fresh as a daisy. All just a normal part of the life cycle of a phoenix. I'm afraid
That never
this
ends.
little Philomena here took the occasion to have a little fun with you, Fluttershy. Say
Aw.
you're sorry, young lady.
Aren't you gonna or throw me in a dungeon? Or banish me, then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to?
Of course not, my little pony.
Uh-huh.
Where on earth would you get such an idea?
I guess I have some imagination. Fluttershy really did do everything she could to try to take care of Philomena for you.
And I do appreciate that your heart was in the right place, child.
Huh.
But all you had to do was ask me, and I could have told you Philomena was a phoenix and saved you all this trouble.
Exactly. I mean, like, just ask instead of stealing someone's precious item.
Before taking matters into my own hands.
So that's the lesson of the
Should
day.
I write you a letter about that lesson, Princess?
You shouldn't really write a letter if she's right
Quite all right.
there.
I think I can remember.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Philomena. No hard feelings.
I don't know how that works, but sure, let's high five a wing. Alright. So, that was a bird in the hoof. And it was a good episode. I still feel really dumb, because I didn't know it was a phoenix at first. I need to always remember, this is in, like, the time where Greek gods exist. Or, is that Roman? Anyway, it's like God of War rules. All these things exist from, like, God of War, Cyclopses, Hydras, Phoenixes, to stuff like that. So, whenever I see something that probably looks weird, I just need to take a reference to that. Now, as I was trying to say before, I would hate being Celestia, being that nice, but having everyone fear me for some reason. Oh, you tick me off just a little bit, I'm gonna banish you to a dark area and put you in a cell. Who would think like that? All because I banished my sister for a very good reason, I might add. You think I'm gonna banish everyone else that I hate? No, plus I didn't even hate her. And so, yeah, being Celestia, I would love to see an episode with Celestia only, like how she lives about her days in the castle. Speaking of which, where's Luna? Am I asking too much for just asking where Luna is? She turned back to normal in the first two-parter episode, so why can't we see what she's doing in the castle? Is she getting along with Celestia? Is she doing things around the castle? It's weird that I haven't seen her in a bit, and it's always Celestia. Don't you think if Celestia has some like royal business to get done, that Luna would accompany her? Or maybe she can do these things because Luna's back. She gives Luna the job placement, you could say, to stay at the castle while I go do this, because I couldn't be able to, or something like that. Which is interesting, but I still want to see Luna, because I want to know a lot more about her. All I know about her is she was evil once, and now she's good. I need personality, I need background, I need things. But back to like the episode in question, Twilight was being way too clingy. You think a person who's been an apprentice or a student under this person, you would find that she has more of a personality of, I forgive people, forget it. And Fluttershy, being kindness, I think she can be too kind for her own good. As in, As in, I'm going to take this animal that looks dying, and I'm going to do my best to take care of it, even though I know nothing about it, really. So, yeah, this is an exceptional episode. It's really good. Next episode, it appears to be the Cutie Mark Chronicles. You know, if this was like I see in Netflix, if this episode was in like season 3 or even season 2 or even in the season 4 that's not on Netflix, I'd probably say that this is the Cutie Mark Crusaders Cutie Mark episode. But me realizing that Chronicles is not present or future, but past, this is the origin of some Cutie Marks. Ooh, I'm excited for this one, actually. Anyway, I'm going to be sure to get to that episode right away. Cross my heart and hope to fly, stick a cupcake in my eye. I'm ready.